Hello, all. Welcome back to Chill with Sabby. I hope you're all well. Don't forget there is a giveaway on the channel, so don't miss it. Today, the video is about the 5-pack features 5 die-cast car from the Disney Pixar, especially from the metal. It's always fun to unbox and explore the scenes, especially when they are inspired by the Flow Cafe in the Radiator Springs, as it comes with the cutout movie poster, which adds a nice touch, allowing you to create your own storytelling moments. So here we have a character cars such as Lightning McQueen, which is an iconic red race car with a lightning bolt decals. We have a Mater with a lovable tow truck with a big heart. And we have here Sally Carrara, which is in blue Porsche, who runs the Cozy Cone model. And we have a Doc Hudson, which is in blue color. And we have a red, the fire truck, which was particularly I was interested. I'm so happy with my purchase. The weight, design, and the attention to detail make these cars even more attractive. So that's it for today's video. Let me know which car you like from Disney Pixar. If you ask me, I'm impressed with the fire truck even though I like McQueen and Sally. The fire truck is a showstopper for me. That's the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And are you already a part of the Chill with Sabby community? Thanks for your support. Don't forget to watch my other videos and share them with friends. Let's expand the Chill with Sabby community together. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.